HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's prepare the micro USB cable connected to your PC or to your computer. Now let's start holding the volume down right here. So keep holding volume down, and while holding this key, let's connect your device by using this micro USB cable. Keep holding volume down. Now let's release volume down. As you can see, your device is in the Fastboot and Rescue mode. So here you can, for example, open the HUAWEI suite, you can flash your device, you can read the FRP log, or if you would like to, you can quit this mode by pressing the power key. Let me show you. Keep holding power button. Release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting. So let me disconnect my device from my PC, from my micro USB cable, and let's wait until the home screen pops up. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.